Alright guys, super excited, headed out for the first real hunt of the year. I was on call over the weekend, so all I did was pretty much drive around all weekend, monitor access points and seeing where other hunters were at. Figured out where the pressure was, figured out where the pressure wasn't. Tonight I'm heading to a spot that didn't look like it was hunted at all, so it's like a fresh sit anyway, even though I wasn't able to hunt the opener. It's a great setup. We're looking at lower to mid 80s today. It's a water hole right next to egg. There's bedding that's pretty close, so hopefully we catch a mature buck hitting that watering hole up. And yeah, super excited. Red-bearded predator season starts now. Alright guys, just got all the gear on and stuff. Super nice to see. Really nice green beans here. Not a lot of those beans left holding moisture, so I like what I'm seeing. So hopefully these beans are like this on top of the ridge. First hunt of the year. It's been an absolute nightmare. So it was going good until I walked through a cornfield. I was still doing good. Then I had to go through a ravine. And my release decided to come off my bow. So I'm walking to my stand location, look at my bow, no release. So I spent about a half hour looking for my release and eventually found it. I don't know how I found it, but I did. It was in some super nasty thick stuff. This is the worst first hunt ever. So I'm looking through my pack, or through my safety harness, looking for my rangefinder. Now I lost my rangefinder, and I have no idea where I lost it, so there goes $120 down the drain. Happy opener. Unreal. So I think I'm just gonna head her out of here and call this hunt a wash, and start over Friday. Alright friends, after last hunt's debacle, I'm just ready to get out there and get after it again. We're gonna be hunting from the ground this morning, hoping to do some observations, try and get some bucks heading from the egg fields back to bedding this morning. Pretty calm out, pretty foggy, so hopefully we can sneak on one here. Alright guys, we're finally moving in the right direction here. Finally saw a deer. That was kind of the goal this morning. I couldn't get it on film because my camera wouldn't focus because of the dense fog. But she came to the creek here, and then she bedded on this oxbow in a little patch of thick stuff. So yeah, hopefully that's good vibes for this afternoon. This afternoon I kayaked to Oak Island here out in the middle of a marsh. From the first couple minutes I hear of being close to this island, I heard 2 deer jump off, and there's a trail right here that's being pounded heavily. I'm liking the looks of this afternoon's hunt. It's gonna be exciting tonight, I think. Alright guys, so I'm coming up on this island here. Got a fresh bed right here. A lot of fresh tracks coming up on this island. That's awesome. Got some fresh tracks, guys. Jumped a couple deer getting in here. I had one that I jumped that was like 10 yards away as I was walking. Couldn't get that one on film either. Just struggling to get those deer on film. But anyway, really warm day, mid-80s. This Oak Island, I haven't been here in any oaks drop, so hopefully come and browse on some of the understory, because there's a lot of things to browse on over here. So in that direction over there is buck bedding. I've scouted that in the past. They might be out a little bit further due to this water in here. So in this direction over here, that's where I jump at those does. Then I'm hoping they come up on top the island right over here, right where the land is, and feeding this stuff in the evening right here. It looks like I do have a scrape that is right about there, so that looks like it's been open pretty recently. Alright guys, had the first encounter with that doe last night. That was pretty cool. About 15 yards or so. Tonight I'm heading back to a bedding area that I scouted this off season. It's a pine thicket next to an egg field. Sets up really good for a south wind. We're going to go in, see what happens tonight. I'm not sure how much filming I'll get done tonight because it's pretty rainy, so who knows what you'll see of me tonight. Let's go have some fun. Talk to you guys later. Alright guys, so the cobwebs continue. So I get to my tree because I was in a little bit of a rush, and I look at my bow and I forgot my arrows. It's too late to run back to the vehicle and get my arrows, so I don't know. The start of the season's been a little rough. I'm forgetting stuff. They say bad things come in threes, so I forgot my release. Or no, it fell off my bow the first night. Lost my rangefinder the first night. I was able to find it at least. I forgot to hit the record button last hunt, so you guys aren't gonna see that deer. Oh, this is the fourth thing. Forgetting my arrows. Alright, I hope I'm getting these out of the way for the rest of the season here.